I love reading.
Gillu's floating Chappal. The sky forgot to close the tap. It's rainy season, silly. Cool wind blew in. Just then, Gillu slipped inside wearing a giant raincoat. Only his nose was showing. Where is Gillu? Here, came a tiny voice from inside the raincoat. Batuni flew in all wet.
My feather looks like wet noodle now.
Gillu wore yellow boots and jumped in the muddy puddles. Oh no! One Chappal floated away like a boat. Catch my Chappal! Catch my Chappal! Dadi laughed so much that her glasses became foggy. Then Mummy brought hot pakoras, roasted corn and warm soup. Rainy season is wet, funny, splashy and pakorai.
Hope you like it.